Hello and welcome to episode 7, Risk of Rain 2. We will do a run through where we use the samurai, or the ninja, whatever. Mercenary is what he's actually called.
Yeah.
I need a sip of my beverage so I don't sound like shit.
I don't have a book.
Because you're poor.
How'd you know?
Because I robbed you.
I'm gonna die of thirst.
Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah, the bustling fungus is the best item for the engineer because whenever you get an item, it goes on your turret. So if you get an item like bustling fungus, which heals you for standing still, your turrets are always standing still. So they constantly heal themselves, and it's really, really strong.
I make funny content, dude.
You don't make any content yet.
Not yet. I am content.
Content? You just chill with how everything's going.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I know.
Half
Oh my god, wow, that did... What? Really? Oh, there was a fucking flaming one!
You stand still for too long, I mean, you get fucked.
Fuck, here, just kill the boss.
Okay.
Damn, you get hella items for doing this boss fight.
Where is it? Right here? Oh, that's a flaming one.
Oh, that's so annoying.
Yeah.
Just fucking ruining the Stone Titan.
There's two of them.
Yeah, but it goes really fast.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's the best idea to challenge an eye laser that close, but fuck it.
Shoot me! Shoot me! I want you to do it.
Is that a Batman reference?
That was a bad reference.
Sick, dude. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Oh my god, dude, you're gonna move so fucking fast out of combat. Oh my god.
I'm a zoomy little boy.
You fucking book it. Wow. That's lucky break. Get 4 red whips.
On the first boss round.
Yeah, Jesus Christ.
Alright. I'm gonna snag that, and then you're gonna get a lot more items this next round. I'm gonna let you get a lot of the items.
Because I'm an idiot and I had to check my phone and died.
Yeah, I did that last game.
Oh, you unlocked the ability to get backup, I think.
Backup? Oh, the 30, doing the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Preparing 30 drones gives you the strike drones.
Okay, so I can get it myself now. Alright, there you go.
Alright, I'm fucking back.
Your health. So you can get
I just get
some
fucking shot in the back.
Come here. Come here. Come here and get healed.
Oh, dude, I'm alright.
And then you can do it again. Okay, I'll just do it. Bro. I'll just stand here and get healed like... Okay, that was actually really close to killing me.
Ooh, I'm not doing the greatest right now.
No. If I fall, I go... Oh no! Okay, I'm good.
I opened up an ultimate. It's a healing. It's the foreign fruit.
Okay.
Dude, I'm curious. Can I fly through that over there?
Where?
I'm gonna go for it. Fuck it. Can I? Oh my god. Is this a thing?
Where are you?
Oh. 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 Aw. That was a glitch. I found a hole in the underneath the map. Yes, I got another mushroom. I'd say get the spear for yourself. I have one, so we can do more bleeding damage.
Fireworks.
Oh yeah, fireworks. Those would be a good choice too. Alright, I'm ready to start it now.
Alright, let's go. Set up.
Okay, now here's my question. If I activate my Q, how much does it kill me? Oh, not at all.
So now you have a secondary shield, essentially.
It's not a shield.
I know, but it shields you from. Well, I know it's not a shield, but whatever, dude. You know what?
What, dude?
You don't understand my intellect.
You don't understand my really bad intellect. Just cover that bitch in mines.
Let it die.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You want me to get both of these? Oh, we must have done something there.
Fast as fuck.
Yeah, you're insanely fast. Jesus Christ. He makes me comfortable.
He doesn't like me,
I don't like the way Beetleguard touches me.
dude. What the fuck?
What, dude? You're being weird.
I think you're weird, dude. That's all. I'm gonna rush around and look for. Oh, there's a loon thing over here. You wanna open it?
Haha, fuckers, I cannot heal you.
You wanna open this lunar thing?
Yeah, I can.
Well, come get it.
You want to get a lunar upgrade, don't you?
A little bit. Hoping you don't want it. So I'll take just about anything. Corpse bloom? Do you want me to test?
Double your healing, but it's applied over time.
That's good no matter what. I don't give a shit how often. If it's double, I don't care.
Yeah.
Oh, is that shield? Hell yeah. Shield generator.
There's so much jiggly shit on me. Oh my god, my ear itches.
I found the, thingy.
Oh
Thing.
god. The teleporter?
No. The prototype.
Oh shit, the prototype. Yeah, dude. Sweet. Oh, I got the monster log for that. Do I really want to spend another lunar coin? I think I'm going to limit myself to one lunar coin per playthrough unless I get another one. You know what I mean?
There's a, Shrine of Order.
You know, there's a very slim chance that you can get like 10 mushrooms and
Yeah, I know.
10
See, here's
lassos.
the thing. If you had a very small amount of, items, and items that you just absolutely love, like you had 4 items, one of them was a mushroom and the other was like a shield generator, I would take the chance on like a very small amount of items, but I had such a
3D
large
printer
amount
for
of
attack
decent
speed.
items. I just don't know if I'd risk it. I don't think I'd found it.
There is a Shrine of Order, and I just...
Don't, dude. It's not worth it.
Is it not worth it? Is it really not worth it?
No, listen. Let's say you use it.
Is it really
And
not
you
worth
use
it?
10 magazines
Oh god.
and 5 of some other bullshit.
Fuck it, dude. I'm not a pussy.
No, don't do it.
Oh my god.
No.
I lost my mushrooms.
You're an idiot.
I have the healing thing, 4 leech seeds, and 10 of the slugs.
The slugs? What do you mean the slugs?
Rapidly heal outside of danger.
Oh. That's so
Oh, I
bad.
totally fucked myself.
You probably fucked this gameplay. This
Ah.
game.
No, no way.
Alright. I mean, let's hope I can hold it this time since I have.
Where's the prototype?
It's up top.
Oof.
Up on the left behind you. Over here. In the cave over here.
Wow, that was really cool watching that thing die to fireworks. Oh, I jumped up with your beetle guard.
Come here. I think we can scale this wall, maybe? No? Okay.
Bro, of course we can. You just don't give up. Get over here. Get your ass over here. We're climbing this biatch.
Alright, bro.
Hey. Bam. Motherfucking prototype.
Let's go do the boss.
I still don't know where it is.
Oh. What if there just isn't one this game?
God, that would be funny.
The end. And there you go. Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle. There you fucking go, dude. Dude, where the fuck is this teleporter? Everyone's yelling at us because we already passed it like 9 times.
Probably. Look, okay, I just bought this fan and it's not working.
Dude, find this teleporter. You can move it like Mach 5. Oh, I just found it.
Where is it? Are we dumb and blind?
Yeah, we've walked past it for sure. We've 1000% walked past this.
It's a big room. Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna put my shit right
Sorry,
here.
everybody.
Here. Alright, start it up.
You start up, I'm up here. This might actually be a sick spot for these turrets.
You know, the disposable missile launcher has gotta have some kind of.
Oh my fucking
prioritized-
god.
What?
So I just realized something, but I'm not in a very good scenario right now, and I am dying.
Bro, you're really weak.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Bro, I would get the fuck out
I'm
of
not
there.
doing great. I'm just gonna chill right here for a second. There we go. I learned something very valuable. My shield does not degrade when I use that the tincture, the Hellfire tincture.
Oh, cool.
It only burns health, not shield.
Which technically you have 1 health, so you think it would be dangerous to use.
I mean, sure. I guess technically you would think that, yeah.
Like, oh, the moment I use it, I fucking die. I did so well that time, man.
Oh shit, my bad. I went for one of the leech seeds and one of them was covered by this piece of shit.
Yeah. That's alright. No biggie. I mean, it's not like you had 5 of them before anyway, so you didn't, like, need either of them.
Oh god, yeah. The items that I have are like the worst things too, like...
For that character, especially. Well, the beetle is good.
Yeah, dude, because
Well,
we have shield,
even-
the flaming shit like does not hurt us.
I don't even take damage from your flame.
Yeah, because you have an overshield.
Yeah, bro. So I guess it prioritizes whenever you take damage, you always take damage whatever's the rightmost thing. So if you have
Yeah.
shield, it always hits shield first. What? Okay, look at the prototype.
Holy shit.
Come here.
I...
No, come here. Come here. Come here.
It's trying.
Just do it.
Hold on. Let's just give it a friendly nudge. Come on. It's almost there.
No, it's fucked.
Oh, that's so disappointing.
I mean, it'll probably spawn out with us.
Oh,
If it
yeah,
doesn't
no, it'll
die.
spawn with us next round. Dude, I think I see some crazy shit. Is that a golden pillar over here? Because if that is, that's the new thing that they added.
The giant magma worm, be careful.
Is this just a normal Shrine of Chance, or is this the golden pillar?
This is, oh, that's 1900.
Yeah, dude, that's the golden pillar, I think. It's hard to tell in this world, but I think that's the pillar. So guys, they added a new thing in the last update where there's a golden pillar and you can use it to go to a hidden realm. So that'd be interesting. Oh, fucking magma worm.
Giant worm. Ow, I just got thrown. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Oh god, the bane of my existence, the fucking
Run.
salamander.
I'm getting back up here with my turrets. Can you come over here so my turrets can
Oh god. First person to get 1900 uses that shit, we dip.
Okay. Watch it just be a regular Shrine of Chance.
No, Shrine of Chance wouldn't be that expensive.
You're right. It's why I'm a little confused about it.
Fucking magma worm. Oh god.
I think it's dead. No, it's not.
It's
Not
right
yet.
there. Would you be cool with activating this thing and I run around and grab some items really quick?
What am I activating?
This golden pillar right here.
Yes, no, I plan on activating it.
Yeah, altar of gold.
Okay. Did you... Oh, you just... Okay.
I'm just
Ow,
dipping.
that really hurts. That really fucking hurts.
Probably. Oh shit, our prototype is in a better situation? I wouldn't say a good one, but better for sure.
Okay, no joke, I am in a horrible situation.
Then run away, dude. Just bail.
I'm gonna fuck this lizard up.
Fuck, worm's coming for me.
Thank God. Like,
Oh,
that
the
shit
prototype is fighting it. Found teleporter, but I don't think that matters. Another personal shield generator. I'm down.
Alright, I'm buying it.
Hold on, not yet.
I'll wait for you to get here before I do. Just so you can see what happens. Have it on, have it under your video.
Oh yeah, of course, dude. Hold on, there's like hella 3D printers up here, and I want to see if they have anything cool.
Okay. Bro, chill. Ow.
A 3D printer is literally the only way I can unfuck my choices. Hell yeah, a lasso. Finally, I can move faster.
Bro, get your ass over here.
I know, I know, I know.
I'll fight this lizard.
Sick tits. 3D printer for the jagged knife and a concussion grenade. Those are both pretty weak.
Come on, dude. I want to do this. I don't want to wait for you to
A
get
disposable
bunch of
missile
items.
launcher. Yeah, no, I'm ready. I'm on my way.
So I want to get items too, besides taking chances.
Yeah. Alright, dude, let's activate that shit.
Alright, here we go. Alright, let's take a step back so you don't actually need to pick it up.
A golden orb appears.
Oh, it must be another round.
Oh, you know what? It is. We have to beat the boss really quick then.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's go kill this boss's bitch ace.
Do you know where it is?
Yeah, it's right in the middle.
No, Mr. Beetleguard, don't die. Alright, they're greater wisps, so this is fun.
Ow.
Good.
My prototype is dying. No, prototype.
Mr. Beetleguard is fine, I mean...
No, Mr. Beetleguard's about to eat shit.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, that's a lot of damage.
Where is he? Where are these bitches?
Right there.
Oh, there he is. Can you bring it over here? I'm gonna walk this way.
Oh shit.
Oh, I turned
I'm
it down.
doing bad.
Oh shit, I'm running.
Run, run, run. Just run around. Just run around. We finally found the gold totem. We're not gonna fucking lose. You need to not run that way, though.
No, I'm just standing away behind cover to heal up. Oh, we still have Beetle Guard.
What? How did Beetle Guard not die?
I don't know. It showed an X and everything.
Can you bring the fucking boss back here, please?
I ran and I mean. Oh,
Is it just this one?
I'm just gonna. Yeah, it's just that one.
God
You bring it.
damn, they do so much damage. Here, stay inside the thing so the teleporter gets finished. I have an idea.
I just shot disposable rockets at it, so. Well, keep that shit away from me, though.
You have a
I don't-
shield, you're fine.
No, I know, but actually, I didn't. I barely have any shield compared to you.
I know, but shield. No. Shield doesn't take any damage from it.
Well,
if you have
no.
any shield, it stops it.
When I take shield, I'm fighting enemies too, so I'm taking shield damage anyway.
Well, true. Man, my turrets suck. I would be honest, I think the hyper shield upgrade for engineer kind of ruins it, because even if you get the mushrooms, I don't think you traditionally heal yourself. Oh, motherfucker, a gold portal. It's very orange. Oh, dude, I'm excited.
See what it is.
Whoa. Hidden Realm Gilded Coast. Rebuild the Halicon beacons. Okay.
Take down these. Oh, it has all of the monsters. Those giant lizards, the giant stone golems. There's like multiple mini boss. Oh god. Ow.
Ow, that hurts.
Yeah, it really does. We should need to take this seriously. Oh, they're the black like obelisk looking thing. It's not really obelisks.
Oh, okay.
They're like 800 each. That's gonna be a fuck ton of money, to be honest. Maybe they added this for like another way to beat the game.
Ooh, maybe.
So if this is a way to beat the game, this is gonna be great. What the fuck? Okay, they added the super laser guys. Oh god, I don't like this. Ow, ow. Those horned titans are here.
Oh
The
my
fat
god.
Eye lasers.
I'm damaging them with my AoE.
I got one of them upgraded.
Oh, I'm dodging. No.
Don't you do it. Don't
I'm
you
doing my fucking best. Oh my god, there's so much shit. I activated one. I'm running. Where are you getting items from?
Me?
Yeah.
I saw a chest that was 25. Just 25 gold. Kind of in the water sometimes.
Oh.
On the edge.
Alright. Wow, this is just gonna be us running around in circles trying not to fucking die.
Yeah. Seriously. kind of want to take out those big golems.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
I'm staying away from those horned ones. I want to take out this massive one over here in the middle. Wait, why is this one green? Oh, that's because it's already been done. I'm getting close to another one, the 800.
Me too.
And if I were you, I'd just lay mines everywhere every once in a while.
I'm taking a lot of damage. Yeah, you already got this one. Man, the water effect looks weird in this game.
Yeah, and if you go underwater, your entire screen gets fucked.
Oh, true.
Or you know,
I
what we
fucking
could-
died. I got launched into another attack. Also,
Okay.
there's a giant golden monster now.
Is it really?
Yes. You don't see the giant gold monster?
Jeez, what is that?
Oh, he's got a sword. Oh! Fuck.
Oh!
Okay.
So...
See you next time.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.